We've got a chowder recipe called Basil Seafood Chowder from Patricia Hibbs. And it actually does have a lot of seafood in it. It's got shrimp and crab and everything else, plus perch. And you're going to make, it's actually like a gumbo. It's got stewed tomatoes and quite a bit of garlic, and this is just kind of diced. And then a lot of basil. It calls for a half a cup of basil,
But
right?
it is a lot.
Yep, and it seems like it'd be overly strong, but it really isn't.
Onions?
And okra.
Okra. I like okra.
Yeah.
I really do, but a lot of people don't. But that's what makes a gumbo recipe.
Right,
supposedly.
exactly. And then just some like a smaller size shrimp, right? And then crab meat. And that's all that goes into this.
And now, you know, the thing is, it actually looks pretty good right now. It
Right,
does. I
just-
mean, these ingredients one at a time as you were putting them in there. But when you cook this recipe down, look at that, good looking
It
perch.
does cook down together.
It cooks
right.
down together, and it really doesn't look. You know what I mean?
No,
Kath?
exactly. It looks better like this before it cooks.
It looks a lot better, but after it's cooked, you know, we really had to coax Charlie Keenan into giving us his comment, but I knew something was up.
What? Come on, Charlie.
Oh, this isn't one that that I would file under the category of super duper.
Well, I tell you, I don't think we could enter it in any beauty contest either. You know, what did you think, Kath, as you were putting this together? Knowing
I
that-
kept saying, I hope this tastes better than it looks.
You know,
And it does. It really does. The basil comes through and the
it
tomatoes.
does. It does, but this should be renamed. I think it should be something like peekaboo soup. where-
Eat in the dark.
Yeah, at candlelight.
Yeah, courage soup. Courage
Yeah.
soup.
That's a good one.
This is a nice recipe.
It's mild. It's
for those
definitely-
people who if you don't like shrimp,
Right.
you should try this recipe because you can't taste any of the shrimp.
No, I can taste it.
I think you can taste the shrimp and the crab and the perch, but it's really mild. I was surprised at how mild it was.
This is for somebody who likes seafood gumbo. That really likes, is into seafood Cajun and all that type
It'd
of
be
thing.
great with
They
some
would-
wild rice or something like that in it.
They would really enjoy it. And I think that any parent that can get their kid to take one bite of this, we ought to give them a prize.
Yeah, they get a medal.
I can see him pushing it away with a stick. Hey, just because